guys, it's your girl Kaiyahj, and I'm back with another video. And I got a special guest. Oh my God, he always messing up. And I got a special guest,
DeMarcus.
And as you can tell by the title, y'all already know what we're about to do in this video. So before we get into this video, like this video up, subscribe to this channel, turn that post notification bell so you know when we posting, and don't forget to tell somebody about us. Help us grow.
Excuse me.
Yes.
So how much is it for like just 10 chicken nuggets like with no meal?
It's $404 for the 10 piece with tax.
Okay. Well, is it the same thing with spicy nuggets?
Correct. But you know they right now they have the deal with the 2 for $5. You can get 2 10-piece nuggets for $5.47.
Okay. Well, can I get 3 of those?
You want 3 of what?
3 of the 2 for $5s.
And you want all nuggets?
Yes.
Spicy or regular?
Spicy. So that's 50 nuggets, huh? I mean, with 60. How much?
So you want? No, we have the family pack. That's the 50 nuggets for $9.99. You want to do that?
Oh yeah, that's cheap. That'll be cheap.
Yes. Let's do that then.
And you want all of these spicy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your sauce? You get 10 sauces.
I want barbecue with mine.
Can we go all barbecue?
Sure can. What else for you?
Then can I get a large fry and a large hot C?
What kind of hot tea?
Raspberry.
I'm sorry?
Raspberry.
Okay, what else for you?
That'd be it, ma'am.
All right,
I'm waiting
$16.28.
on our food to come out.
For the mukbang.
The mukbang. I like it that way. Stop saying it. So we got we supposed to got a 50-piece nugget, but we got 45. I counted them. We got all this barbecue sauce, and we got a Wendy's bag that somebody put in. We got a Wendy's bag, but let's get it. We finna start it now.
Yeah, when y'all go to Wendy's, make sure y'all count y'all nuggets. We ordered 50. They gave us 45 nuggets, but it's cool. It's cool.
It ain't cool if you keep on talking about it.
She didn't want me to go back. I was gonna go back and get my 5 nuggets, but
Cause we had already made it too far down the road. What was the point?
I was gonna go back. You know, what's 5 nuggets? $2 worth of nuggets. Up in you know, they probably gonna give me some extra ones too. So I came back for 5 nuggets.
They was gonna be mad that you came back for 5 nuggets.
No, like one time I went there and I brought back a burger and they gave me 20 nuggets. Cause they put mayo on the burger. I didn't want mayo on.
Well, for real?
Yeah, after homecoming.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So,
Shut up and
2
come on.
hats. You don't already touch them all anyway. Look at that right there.
Shut up.
Good
No,
barbecue sauce.
No, because Wendy's changed their barbecue sauce, and I don't like this one. I like the other one.
Hey, somebody comment down below which barbecue sauce is better.
The old one.
I'm pretty sure it's the new one.
The new one do not
this
taste
one,
the
yeah.
same. That's the biggest, fattest, ugliest one. Put me some. See, that don't make no sense. That's how you eat chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Like a kid. Number Fredo, y'all.
So, man, so what's been the best thing? Oh,
Now look at you. You mess up.
man.
He messed his pants up.
Well, I guess since today is like this, I might look like them. But still,
What is what?
what's been going on with you during the quarantine with Corona break?
Oh, I just been eating. You know what? You want to know something? Ever since school got out in March, whatever day we got out, March 6th, I think. I don't know. I've gained 20 pounds.
I don't think I gained no weight too.
That ain't funny.
You weigh yourself every day?
No, it just one day. I know I used to weigh a certain amount, and then one day I got on that scale right there on the floor and had plus 20 pounds.
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess it's going off your head because I don't see no difference.
My head ain't big,
So,
and it
I
is a
ain't
difference.
look it up. Look at my head and look at your head right now.
Your head bigger than my head.
Well, just because the hell, like, if you take your cap off right now,
My head is smaller than yours. I don't have a big head.
your head definitely bigger. It's okay though.
My head not.
So were you looking forward to your senior year?
I was already in it. What you mean?
I'm talking about like finishing it off.
Yeah, duh. I wanted to finish it off.
No, I was ready to get out of that basketball season was over. Hey, shout out to ULM, huh?
I only had a couple more months. ULM is not sponsoring this video. Don't shout them out. Unless they're trying to sponsor this video.
But yeah, I mean, I was over senior year. Especially we lost the state championship. I cried myself. I literally stayed in the bed for a week and I didn't do nothing. I ain't come out to my grandma and my mom. They're just like, you know, life keep going on.
They do. You was heartbroken, huh?
Devastated.
You want some drink? I got a Coke.
I'm not a Coke type of man.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. We got a fountain. Oh, you drink water?
Water. I'm an athlete, you know?
I am too. Not no more.
What's going on with you after? I mean, what's going on with you like when school and stuff start back?
I'm gonna go to school.
Where you going to school at?
They don't need to know all that. Well, they for sure gonna know you with that big ULM shirt on.
Yeah, you know me. Hey, just look at me. I'm gonna be up there one day. Ain't that right?
For sure.
Yeah. Straight Kappa.
All right. Don't take it there. I was being for real.
But hey, I just want to tell everybody, Black Lives Matter, you know. With everything going on, I just got to tell them, stand up for my people one time.
Yeah, we matter.
But yeah, don't go crazy on me.
You be careful out there.
I'm trying to. You know, keeping God on my side. Like you seen the people in California get hung, you know?
Yeah, been a lot of people getting hung lately.
Man,
Them people hanging us now.
No.
That's crazy.
Hey, you gotta put the clip in right now. With the police officers in the mic.
Yeah. After we went and picked these nuggets up, we were driving down the road. It was a man, he had a little dirt bike or whatever. I'm gonna put the clip in after I get done explaining it. This man had about 7 police officers on him. 7. And he was driving that little dirt bike. It didn't take that many police for that little dirt bike. Little Bond City. Y'all watch this. Look at the little I don't know if they can see it. Oh my God.
Crime rate going up there. Feel like you living in Chicago.
I stay in LA. Los Angeles.
Okay. The real LA where it's starting to get reckless. Louisiana. The boot. Shout out to my Louisianimals, you know.
Now you heard about Hurricane Chris?
Yeah. What's Hurricane Chris on?
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
They said that nigga was like AKK.
Now they want to know if Halle Berry gonna come bail him out because he made a song about Halle Berry too.
Heck no. Look, you heard about it? Like he was in a stolen car.
Yeah, he had a stolen car and everything.
Yeah, somebody tried to steal his stolen car, so he shot him. Supposedly, you know.
He said it was an act of self-defense, but police got the videos from the store and they say ain't no self-defense.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, for real.
Well, hey, AKK.
Hurricane Chris, if you watching this.
Yeah, free Hurricane Chris though, you know. I rock with you, my dog, you know.
But
childhood banger.
He fell off after them songs though. I ain't heard about him.
You fell off of her. In my book, you know, you always been in my playlist. It might get skipped or nothing, but it's been in there.
I still listen to him sometimes. It ain't often though.
Okay. Who do you listen to?
I listen to everybody.
Who is everybody?
Everybody.
Country?
Yeah, I be listening to country music.
Like who?
For real. When I play this on my phone, I listen to country, gospel, rap, all that.
Well,
for real.
That ain't me. I don't think I listen to, you know. When I go somewhere, I like feeling like a thug, you know. So, Boosie.
I'm always a thug. If you know me, then you know I'm a thug. For real.
Okay, no. A fake thug. I mean, that ain't nothing for you to flaunt.
I'm not a fake thug.
I'm not a thug. But
I'm gonna let you know I'm gangster.
You gangster?
Yeah, everybody know me. Instead of me.
I guess I don't know.
I put fear in people's heart.
Ooh.
You, for one, stop acting like that on the camera.
Okay. Setting on camera, you know. Camera bring out the fake side of people. I don't understand.
Shut up. But what time is it?
Right now,
It is
we're doing a
currently
video 1:20.
1:20 in the morning.
And we grinding.
No,
Well, she grinding. You know, I'm just here for production, you know. A little moral support goes a long way. Ain't that right?
Right. I said right.
Why you got the tag on your shirt?
Cause you know I keep the tags on me. Yeah.
I don't understand.
You with your front teeth or your side teeth when you bite?
Both?
I bite with my side teeth.
Right. No, I eat on the side.
I do this.
Who
I do.
eat on the front?
Now when you bite down.
Oh no, I bite on the front.
No, I bite with my side teeth.
No.
Yeah, for real.
That's what dogs be doing.
No, that's just me. I don't like to bite with my front teeth.
We saying some crazy stuff.
How?
Maybe I won't forget. Y'all see the BBS's, you know?
Boy, get out of here.
Straight from Johnny Dang. Y'all from Texas. Hey, y'all get a Johnny Dang. Y'all want?
Is Johnny Dang promoting this video? Is he gonna sponsor me?
He might.
Exactly. He not.
He put them chains on me, you know?
He not. Yeah, I got me a chain too. My mama bought it. My mama bought it.
Hey.
I really wanted this chain too.
Hey, but y'all be on the lookout. Hey, for real. Besides her, I found a new creature.
I'm not a creature.
I found a new creature, like for real. I seen it. It jumped in the road and it jumped out. If y'all see it, I don't know. You ain't gonna be able to put no picture or nothing. But it's about this big, okay? And it kind of like a cat and a raccoon. And it's like, it real fast. Like, when I seen it, I was just driving down the road and I seen it hop in the street, hop out. So, if y'all see it, y'all let me know. I put a couple cages out.
Bush.
She had like she ain't want to catch it with me, but you know, it's all
I'm
good.
go out there and catch a creature. You crazy.
You a
We're gonna go out there and
you
play
a thug, ain't you?
Yeah, thugs run from creatures.
No.
But this thug do.
I'm running to the creatures.
No, we run away from them. Show me.
Spicy nuggets.
His mouth over there hot.
Not it. Please, not, you know. That's probably why they gave us 5 short right there, you know.
Right.
Spicy nuggets. They gotta keep them. I know this stuff can't be good for you. Then they hot.
They're not even that hot. I like spicy stuff, so it don't matter.
On the sweat. Golly.
You a little baby boy. I'm in the club, hollering, hey, baby. Oh my God.
Free Hurricane Chris, you know.
Stop
I
it.
ain't gonna keep saying it, but you know, free that boy till it's backwards.
But hush. You're not even gangster enough to say that.
Wow, that's my people. That's my cousin, though.
But that is not your cousin.
That is my cousin.
How he your cousin? That's your grandma's sister, brother, cousin.
Nah, I don't know how he my cousin. You know how you got them cousins, you don't know how they cousin.
Oh, that's a lot of people. Oh, we and you cousins. But
Nah, but I seen him at the family reunion, though. He was at the family reunion. He was on the picture.
He was just there with one of your cousins being friends with him.
My Aunt Denise said that was my cousin.
But I do not believe nothing you be saying.
For real, my Aunt Denise said that was my cousin.
I don't believe it.
Said, here, baby, this your cousin. I'm like, okay. And I was like, hey, baby. AKA. AKA.
But, yeah.
You miss a Star Crunch?
No.
So, what you eat? Like eat snack cakes?
I don't eat snacks. The only thing I eat is chips.
20 pounds? I mean, chips. I mean, you got 20 pounds off chips?
I got 20 pounds off fast food.
I feel like
I'm telling you, the week we got out of school, that week you had told me we out of school for a month. I didn't believe you then until my mama called me and said, you know y'all out of school for a month? I said, yeah, LaMarcus just told me that.
I think I'm a liar.
And I thought you was lying. Because I didn't think Corona was that serious. But anyways.
You know anybody got Corona?
I know somebody that had Corona.
A girl in my school had it.
Yeah, I know somebody that had it, but they beat it. I ain't go around them though. But anyway, the week we got out of school, every day that week, I had a different restaurant. Swear my bad, screaming. I swear to God, I had. No, it didn't. Every day that week, I had a different one.
You don't know how to cook?
I don't cook. My mama don't cook.
Well, I mean, I'll have to do something.
She was supposed to cook spaghetti tonight, but we didn't get no spaghetti. We ate eggs.
You see what we doing now? I feel like I done ate way more of these than you.
You have. I ain't ate that many.
Oh, that 50 going down.
That wasn't even 50. That was 45.
45. Hey, next time, I gotta go big. I thought it was big right here.
This is big. What you mean? You trying to get me bigger.
100.
You trying to get me bigger. I gotta go in there and work out after I get done eating these.
It's okay.
Really lying though, because I'm not gonna work out.
That's the truth though?
Take a shower and go to sleep.
Golly. Stomach hurting.
Need to edit it out though. My stomach hurt too, y'all.
I done ate 40 chicken nuggets.
No, you haven't. I ate more than 10.
You got this last 3?
I got 2 of them.
You do?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. I can't eat all 3 of them.
That's enough.
You gotta eat that last one.
I actually can't see my baby right
You
now.
gotta eat the last one. We can't leave none of this.
You don't waste food?
No, I do. I
Yes, you do.
waste some. What food I wasted?
I don't know, you waste food all the time.
I do.
Well,
You know.
she not a...
I'm getting hip to this. I'm getting hip to this. Look at all these barbecue sauces. You ate 17 barbecue sauces. I done ate 2.
Well, I mean, you don't like this, so you might well just, I might well take them home. Or you gonna throw them away?
You can take them home and throw them away. No matter. I don't like them. The food in the trash.
It's got barbecue sauce on it.
Because he can't eat. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna have a shower.
Say the trees, I'm not gonna say that for later.
At my house, you're only supposed to get one.
I got one for you.
Look, that's what my mama tell us. Don't use all my paper towels.
I got one for you.
Well, I don't need this stuff. I ain't gotta wipe my mouth. Wipe my mouth with your hand.
But yeah.
But anyways, y'all, that's it for this video. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't know what y'all like.
Don't thumbs down. Just tell us what we did wrong and still like the video.
All right. Comment, share, subscribe, all that. All right. I say I don't know how to say the word.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Well, subscribe.
Subscribe to this video. Give it a thumbs up. All that. Stay tuned for more videos because I will be posting. And don't forget to tell somebody about us. Help us grow. I am out. Peace.